Variables for numbers. Example 1. Storing and displaying age and alert. Let age equals 23, alert, I'm plus age plus years old. In this example, it shows how to declare a number variable and display it using alert. Example 2. Let student age equals 18, alert, you are plus student age plus years old and learning JavaScript. Same concept is present, showing a number using an alert box with a friendly message. Example 3. Tracking website visits. Let visit count equals 12, alert, you have visited this website plus visit count plus times. This example simulates how many times someone has visited your site. Example 4. Let profile views equals 10, alert, your profile has been viewed plus profile views plus times today. Same logic, just used in a social media context instead of a website. Example 5. Displaying birth year on the web page. Let birth year equals 1993, document.write, my birth year is plus birth year. In this example 5, the birth year is stored in a variable and shown directly on the browser using document.write. Example 6. Let joining year equals 2020, document.write, I joined this platform in plus joining year. In this example 6, different context is present but same output method, document.write. Example 7. Order details on a shopping website. Let visitor name equals Kihar, let product title equals t-shirt, let quantity ordered equals 5, document.write, visitor name plus ordered plus quantity ordered plus product title plus on summary cloth site. In the above example 7, multiple variables are used to create a full message. Example 8. Let buyer name equals Sarah, let item name equals mug, let item count equals 3, document.write, buyer name plus purchased plus item count plus item name plus from gift hub. In the above example 8, different names and store, but same structure and concept is used. The end. Subscribe for more little tutorials. Thank you for watching.